If you're wondering how to integrate Outgrow with HubSpot, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to connect these two powerful tools, and by the end, you'll have a smooth integration setup that can drive your digital marketing to new heights. Before we dive in, did you know that you can start using Outgrow for free with our exclusive bonuses? Check the first link in the description below to grab your extended free trial. Now, let's get into how Outgrow integrates with HubSpot. If you're new to Outgrow, it's an interactive content platform that allows you to create quizzes, assessments, calculators, and more. It's a great way to engage your audience and collect valuable data. HubSpot, on the other hand, is a powerhouse in CRM and marketing automation. By integrating these two, you're able to seamlessly capture leads, automate follow-ups, and gain insights that can optimize your marketing efforts. To start the integration process, the first thing you'll want to do is sign in to your Outgrow account and open the campaign you want to connect with HubSpot. If you haven't created a campaign yet, take a few minutes to build one. It's super easy. You just select a template, customize it to your brand, and create a lead capture form. Once your campaign is ready, you'll need to go to the integration section in Outgrow. From here, you can easily connect to HubSpot. If you haven't already, sign into your HubSpot account and authorize Outgrow to connect with your HubSpot CRM. In the integration settings, you'll find options to map your Outgrow data to HubSpot's properties. For example, if you're collecting an email address or quiz results, you can map those fields directly to your HubSpot contact properties. This means that every lead that completes your quiz or form in Outgrow will automatically be added to HubSpot, allowing you to nurture them through your marketing workflows. One of the great things about this integration is how it syncs in real time. As soon as someone submits their information on Outgrow, that data is instantly pushed to HubSpot, saving you time and ensuring no leads slip through the cracks. You'll also be able to use HubSpot's workflows to automate follow-up emails or add these leads to specific lists, ensuring they get the right messaging at the right time. In addition, you can use Outgrow's powerful analytics to track how your audience is interacting with your interactive content. HubSpot will then allow you to segment and score these leads based on their engagement, helping you prioritize your outreach efforts. Now let's talk about a feature that many don't take full advantage of: custom properties. With Outgrow, you can create unique fields for your forms that sync directly with HubSpot. This means you can collect more specific information about your leads, like their preferences, which products they're interested in, or how much they're willing to spend. The integration is also scalable. Whether you're a small business or a larger enterprise, Outgrow and HubSpot work together to handle varying volumes of data efficiently. As your business grows, this integration will continue to be a valuable asset, allowing you to maintain personal engagement with your audience no matter how many leads you collect. If you haven't set up your integration yet, I encourage you to do so today and start leveraging the power of both Outgrow and HubSpot. By connecting the two, you're setting yourself up for more efficient lead generation, better insights, and automated workflows that can take your marketing to the next level. Remember, you can start using Outgrow for free through the link in the description. Take advantage of this exclusive extended trial and get hands-on with all the amazing features Outgrow has to offer. By the way, if you want to see more videos on how to automate and optimize your marketing with these tools, make sure to subscribe and check out the links in the description for even more tips and bonuses.